Hi, I'm Sebastian Goulet, President and CEO of CardLogix. Today I'd like to show you our IBBX biometric enrollment system with the BIOSID Pro. What we're going to do here today is that when you enroll through a mobile device, the BIOSID Pro, and then we issue a new card with the information I just enrolled in a few minutes. And then we'll add another feature where we're going to show you how to enroll biometrically through a desktop device called the IBBX CLX Biometrics. And then it will also print a card and enroll. And after that, we can verify the biometrics through this BIOSID Pro. So let's just start. First, the BIOSID Pro is a very versatile application. What it is an Android 9 tablet with some different features where you have a FAP45 two-fingerprint system, contactless, 64 gigabyte of memory, and also 4 gigabyte of RAM in it. This BIOSID Pro is designed to enroll the fingerprints, the face, and the iris biometrics, also has AFIS. AFIS is automatic fingerprint identification system to make sure that anybody that gets enrolled through this BIOSID Pro is not a duplicate. So it will identify right away if a person gets to the same fingerprints in the system. So let's just do it very quickly. So first of all, we go here, we click enrollment, and we have different options for enrollment, either through a camera, passport MRZ, a camera ID card MRZ, or a scanner for dedicated MRZ activities, or a 3D scanner to record information from an ID card, or we can also enter information manually. On this example, just for make it fast, I use my driver's license. I click on here, the scanner opens up, then I present this into the system and automatically it enters all the information of my driver's license. Then I go next, you have all the information, and now I'm ready to put my signature. I go in, and if you don't like it, you can always clear it. I press accept. Now I'm ready to take a photo. Just for quickness, I can take myself. Again, it takes just a few seconds. And here, it takes a picture. And it's also, this is anti-spoofing and liveness. So the system is designed to take the best biometric face recognition and make sure this is not a fake picture of me being taken. I go to next, and now the iris. I'm clicking the button. It goes into a format. It loads. As soon as the screen is white, I can say capture. I present myself about 6 inches from the system, and right away, it picks my iris activities. I say accept, and now I'm ready to take my fingerprint. So I just press my thumb here, is ready to enroll, initialize, and my fingerprint gets recorded. Okay, I press my second thumb, and next thing you know, it records. Now I can do all 10 fingerprints like this and make sure that every fingers are not enrolled before to the AFIS authentication. By doing this, it saves automatically to the cloud, to the tablet. Now if I save it to the cloud, it goes here, and right away, now it's enrolled into the cloud. So you can see my picture, the information, and all the means that got recorded into the cloud. I can also save it to a contact card or save contactless card if I want to. Now that we're enrolled, let's make sure that the card is into our server and print to our Evolus primacy printer. Now that we just finished enrolling with the BIOSID Pro, now we'll show you how the system works now for the issuance of this secure credential. So now I'd like to show you our CardLogix engine. The CardLogix engine basically imports the data from the system, and it has my picture information and also all the information for the biometrics to go into the secure credential. Okay, and now what it does is that I just need to print on the system, and you hear the equipment start to produce a secure credential. Here we go. Now if I open the door, I take the card. The card's right here and right here. Okay. Both secure credential. Now, let's go and test it to the BIOSID Pro and see how it goes. Now that we have the printed card, the secure credential that is printed and encoded, now let's go see and check it out on our BIOSID Pro. So I read here, press on read CardLogix card. I can put it there, and right away it starts to read the card information. Okay, takes a bit of time because there's a lot of data. There's a biometric data in it, and our personal information in the picture. And as soon as it's completed, it reads it, it shows it, and then I can verify the information from the card. And then here we have the face, and the iris could be scanned. So let's go check the fingerprint here. Okay, I should say put the finger on the tablet and go check, and look, it's a match. It's as simple as that, so quickly. Thank you. That's about it for on the BIOSID Pro verification. And now I'll demonstrate how we do with the IDBX CLX Enroll BIometrics. Now that we enrolled myself into the BIOSID Pro, I'll show you how to do it with a desktop version, where we call the IDBX CLX Enroll BIometrics. This application provides the same thing as the BIOSID Pro, but allows you to do on a desktop version where I have a dedicated camera, a signature pad, and a fingerprint reader. This system is either automatic through reading the driver license as we did before, or a passport, or do it manually. So in this example, I'll do it manually with my information. So yeah, select there, address 16, Suite C100, Rhine, California, country USA. Okay. Now I'll go here and type in my signature. Oh, let's clear it. Okay. So for sub. Here we go. Save signature. Now I go here to the picture in the corner. I'll take my photo, capture photo, and capture photo, see it's all green. Okay, now that I got my signature in my picture, now I go capture my fingerprints. Go here, and now this new board comes in. Now select my left thumb and my right thumb to be captured. I go here and say start capture. It asks for my right thumb. I put my thumb there. It takes the image, and then all the biometric data certification goes in. It gives you a 5-star rating, so it's okay. So let's try to do a bit better one. I go in, star 1. Now this 3-star rating, we'll accept it. Okay, and now I ask for my second fingerprint. You gotta be careful so you can there's a smudge, but let's put it properly. There we go, 5-star, perfect. Goes here. Now it's all captured. Okay, save and exit. Now all the information is ready, and now I just say complete enrollment. Now I save into the database. The database then is sent to our card coding engine. So let's go back to the card coding engine and verify the information is there before we issue this secure credential with the biometrics in it. Okay. Now we just finished the IDBX CLX Biometric Enroll application, and now we're going to retrieve the information. So that was for the BIOSID Pro. I click on this scan. It scans from database. It finds the record again, right? And then now see it populates the information automatically. Okay. Now I just go in and say print and encode, and now it sends to the printer, the Elvis primacy printer, for the printing and enrollment and encoding of the information into that smart card. I open the door, and what do I see? My original picture. Now that we have the printed card, the secure credential that is printed and encoded, now let's go see and check it out on our BIOSID Pro. So I read here, press on Read CardLogix card. I can put it there, and right away it starts to read the card information. Okay, takes a bit of time because there's a lot of data. There's a biometric data in it, and our personal information in the picture. And as soon as it's completed, it reads it, it shows it, and then I can verify the information from the card. And then here we have the face, and the iris could be scanned. So let's go check the fingerprint here. Okay, I should say, put the finger on the tablet and go check, and look, it's a match. It's as simple as that, so quickly. Thank you. That's about it on the BIOSID Pro verification.